Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Talk class. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Thanks for joining us again. We hope you're having a wonderful day.
Today is our second episode of the 30 Days English Fluency Challenge. If you've been learning with us since first day, welcome back. And if today is your first day, don't worry. You can start right here with us.
That's right. You don't have to be perfect. Just listen, speak, and enjoy the journey. Every little step helps.
Exactly. Our goal is to help you speak English naturally through real conversations you can use every day.
And today's episode is all about how to talk about your family.
This is one of the most useful topics in English. When you meet new people, make friends, travel, or even have a job interview, people often ask about your family.
I know. Sometimes I know the words, but I don't know how to answer naturally.
That's completely normal. Today, we're going to practice together through real conversations. By the end of this episode, you'll feel much more confident talking about your family.
So, let's begin.
Imagine we're meeting for the first time at a language exchange event.
Sounds good.
Hi, I'm Julian. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Julian. Nice to meet you too. I'm Sarah.
So, Sarah, can you tell me a little about your family?
Sure. I have a small family.
Really? Who do you live with?
I live with my parents and my younger brother.
That sounds nice. Are you close to your family?
Yes, very close. We spend a lot of time together.
That's wonderful. What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
And what about your mother?
My mother is a homemaker. She takes care of our family.
That's great. Does your brother go to school?
Yes, he does. He's in high school.
Do you have any sisters?
No, I don't. I only have one brother.
I see. What do you usually do together as a family?
We usually have dinner together every evening.
That's a lovely family tradition.
Yes, I really enjoy spending time with my family.
What do you usually do on weekends?
We often visit my grandparents or watch a movie together.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
It is. I always look forward to the weekend.
That's great to hear.
Julian, can I ask you a question?
Of course.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Wow, that's a big family.
Yes, and we're very close. We talk on the phone almost every day.
That's really nice.
My parents live in another city, so I visit them whenever I can.
I'm sure they're happy to see you.
They are, and I'm always happy to see them too.
Family is very important.
I agree. No matter how busy we are, it's nice to spend time with the people we love.
Sometimes I don't know how to answer questions about my family in English.
That's okay. Let's practice together.
Great.
Everyone listening, repeat after me. I have a small family.
I have a small family.
I live with my parents.
I live with my parents.
I have 1 brother.
I have 1 brother.
My father is a teacher.
My father is a teacher.
My mother is a homemaker.
My mother is a homemaker.
We spend a lot of time together.
We spend a lot of time together.
Excellent. Those are simple sentences, but they're very useful in everyday conversations.
They really are. And they're easy to remember because we use them in a real conversation.
Exactly. Learning through conversation helps you remember English naturally.
I'm already feeling more confident.
That's what we want. And we're just getting started.
In the next part, we'll continue with another real-life conversation and practice even more natural English about family.
Stay with us. We'll be right back with more everyday English. Welcome back. Let's continue talking about family.
Great. I really enjoyed the first conversation.
Me too. Now let's imagine we're meeting a new friend at a coffee shop.
Sounds good.
Hi, Sarah. It's nice to see you again.
Hi, Julian. It's nice to see you too.
Last time you told me you have a small family. I'd love to know more about them.
Sure, my family is very important to me.
Who are you closest to?
I think I'm closest to my mother. We talk every day.
That's wonderful. What do you usually talk about?
We talk about our day, our plans, and sometimes we just laugh together.
That sounds lovely. And what about your father?
My father is very kind. He always gives me good advice.
You're lucky.
I know. I'm very thankful for my family.
Does your brother help at home?
Yes, sometimes he does.
Sometimes?
Well, not every day.
I think many families understand that.
We all help when we can.
That's what matters.
What about your sisters?
My sisters are very friendly. One is a doctor and the other is a teacher.
Wow, that's interesting.
Yes, and my brother works for a software company.
Does your whole family live in the same city?
No. We live in different cities, but we stay in touch.
How often do you see them?
I usually visit them during holidays.
I miss my family when I'm away from home.
Me too. I think everyone feels that sometimes.
Family always makes me feel comfortable.
I completely agree.
Can we practice together again?
Absolutely. Everyone listening, repeat after us. My family is very important to me.
My family is very important to me.
We talk every day.
We talk every day.
My father is very kind.
My father is very kind.
My mother always helps me.
My mother always helps me.
I'm very close to my family.
I'm very close to my family.
We enjoy spending time together.
We enjoy spending time together.
Excellent. Now let's try something different.
I'm ready.
Listeners, answer the question before Sarah does. Who is the oldest person in your family?
My father is the oldest person in my family.
Who do you spend the most time with?
I spend the most time with my mother.
What do you usually do together?
We usually have dinner together and talk about our day.
Who makes you laugh the most?
My younger brother. He's always telling funny stories.
Great answers. I hope everyone listening answered those questions too.
Even if your answers are different, that's okay. The important thing is to speak.
Exactly. There isn't only one correct answer. Your English becomes stronger every time you talk about your own life.
I already noticed something.
What's that?
The more we repeat these simple sentences, the easier they become.
That's the secret. Real conversations, simple English, and daily practice.
I'm excited for one more conversation.
Me too. In the final part of today's episode, we'll have a longer family conversation, one last shadowing practice, a quick review, and then we'll finish today's challenge together.
Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
Welcome back. Let's finish today's episode with one more conversation.
I can't believe how much we've practiced already.
Time goes by quickly when you're having a good conversation.
That's true.
Let's imagine we're talking after the weekend.
Okay, let's do it.
Hi, Sarah. How was your weekend?
It was great, thanks. I spent most of my time with my family.
That sounds nice. What did you do together?
On Saturday morning, we had breakfast together. In the afternoon, we visited my grandparents.
I'm sure they were happy to see you.
They were. My grandmother made my favorite food.
That's always a good reason to visit.
I agree. We talked for hours and shared many stories.
What about Sunday?
We stayed at home, watched a movie, and had dinner together.
It sounds like you had a wonderful weekend. I really did. Spending time with my family always makes me happy. I feel the same. Even a simple conversation with family can make your day better.
I think family gives us love, support, and confidence.
I couldn't agree more.
Julian, do you call your parents often?
Yes, I do. I usually call them every weekend.
That's a good habit.
We talk about work, family, and our plans for the future.
My parents always ask me if I'm eating well.
Mine do the same.
I think parents are the same everywhere.
I think you're right.
Family is one of the easiest topics to talk about in English because everyone has a story to share.
Exactly. You don't need difficult words. Just speak about your own life.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's how we improve.
Can we do one last speaking practice?
Of course. Everyone repeat after me one more time. I love my family.
I love my family.
I enjoy spending time with my family.
I enjoy spending time with my family.
We always help each other.
We always help each other.
My parents support me.
My parents support me.
I'm thankful for my family.
I'm thankful for my family.
Wonderful. You're doing a great job.
If you repeated those sentences with us, you're improving your English step by step.
Before we finish, let's quickly remember what we practiced today.
We learned how to introduce our family, talk about our parents, brothers and sisters, describe family activities, and answer simple questions naturally.
And most importantly, we practiced speaking through real conversations instead of memorizing long lists.
That's the best way to build confidence.
Congratulations on completing today's episode of the 30 Days English Fluency Challenge.
We're really proud of you for practicing with us today.
Remember, don't just listen. Try using these sentences with your friends, classmates, or even by yourself in front of a mirror.
A few minutes of English every day can make a big difference.
Tomorrow we'll be back with another practical episode to help you speak English more naturally in everyday life.
So don't miss it.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself.
We'll see you in the next episode of Fluent Talk class.
Take care, everyone.
Goodbye and happy English learning.